Hello, hello, hello. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hope you are doing well. Hope you are good. My name is Judy Kerubo. Yes, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's the only way to support me. Yes, subscribe. Yes, before I posted here about my first day as a house manager or a house girl. Yes, I told you everything I found when I came first day. So if you have not seen the video, please go there to Judy Kerubo's YouTube channel and watch. Yes, also share and have a comment there. Yes. So today we are going to talk about questions the employers ask when hiring a house manager, a house girl. The questions they ask. One of the questions, before they ask questions, they have to start by greetings and ask your name. Your name. The number one question is age. Your age. First, your age, because they might find they have employed the underage house girl, of which it's not good, and maybe she is supposed to be in school. That one might be even a police case, because how can you employ an underage house girl or already? Number two, it's identity. Does the girl has ID or passport, driving license? You can use that one as her identity. Yes, does she have one of those? One of those identity. Yeah. Or uh, the employer is not supposed to take a ID, by the way. No. You are supposed to take a picture or have a photocopy of her ID. Yes, photocopy, which is good for an employer to have. Our original, leave her have it with her. Number three, it's the family, about her family. Don't ask too much about her family, but you can ask if she's married, she has parents or siblings, and if she has children. It's good to ask about it. Sometimes those questions might help you. Maybe she wanted to pay you a salary of this, and because maybe you have a family, you are maybe the breadwinner, she might add you a good salary. That's the other question. Just give the right answers about the family, your family. Uh, Next is experience. Have you ever worked before? For how many years? And sometimes some people ask what made you to come out of that work, because some of the employers think when you come out of those work or the house girl work, maybe you are going to do another work other than the housemaid. You see? So sometimes others ask the reason of coming out of that house. Why did you leave? How many years did you stay there? Yeah. Another one is level of education. Education. Yeah. Did you finish school, primary, college, or you secondary there? Yeah. Some other employers need the house manager who will help her kids with doing this, maybe some homework. Yeah, yeah. Another one is heritage. Heritage. Heritage is the main thing. Some others have allergies, others don't eat meat, others don't eat this one. So it's good for your employer to know what is. Some others don't want some smells of a, yeah, if you want, you know. Yeah. So other one is a spirituality. Does she go to church? Yeah, does she go to church? It's good to ask about it. You know your house girl well. Yes, and her dreams. After this, what do you think you want to do next? Some questions will come by time, not during the first time. That's when you would be asked all those questions. No, some of the other questions will come while you are staying there. A little, yeah, while you are working. Yeah, that's when she will ask you about your dreams. What do you want? Do you want to get money? You go back to school, continue with your education. Do you want to start a business? Others maybe want to go and they get money, then they go back to they get married. Yes, they get married. So those are some of the questions. You can add it there in your comment. Which question were you asked? You never expected that question. So you can comment there and say which question were you asked when you are employed as an house manager. I'm also an house manager. I was asked the same questions, but some of them I was not also asked. Yeah, I'm a house manager working in Saudi Arabia. I've also worked in Kenya. Before I said this is not bad work, it's our office, good work. Anyone out there who is saying like, hey, this is that how that work, what? No. It's a job like any other work. It's that we are not staying in our own places. We are staying in the employer's house. But there are others who stay outside, who come and go, who come and go. So this is a very good work. It's not bad. So the next video we will be talking about factors to consider when hiring a house manager. Then next again we will be talking about since I posted there my first day, then I will be saying about the journey, what I've been experiencing, the place I've been working, what I've been experiencing. Please, the only way to support me is subscribing. I really love you very much for 100 subscribers. Yeah, you subscribe there if you have a channel. Please comment there also your channel. You say we subscribe. You can drop your link there for your YouTube channel. We subscribe there. I will also subscribe to your channel. Wow, bye. I really love you. Bye.